is HSK9, Radio Thailand World Service, broadcasting from Bangkok for listeners in Asia, the Pacific, the Middle East and Africa, Europe and America. It is now time for our broadcast in English for listeners in Europe.
This is Radio Thailand's English language service. Broadcasting from Bangkok, this is Radio Thailand's World Service.
Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government, this is the News Hour.
Brought to you by Thai, smooth as silk. สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Today is Tuesday, November 19th, 2013, and this is Radio Thailand's Morning News Hour with me, Varin Sachadeo.
And with me, Adapa Sharbasit.
Let's begin with the national